Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s to the power of 4. Because this one multiplied by this one, we have this one in here. Now, s to the power of 4, we put outside the square root. The square root of this one, we have s squared. Now we can simplify on numerator and denominator. S approach to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.